Today we're doing a video with this new MagSafe 5-in-1 charger from Zeera and combined with TheVoxn, which is another brand they are partnered with. And they have sent me this awesome 5-in-1 charger to check out to show you guys, which I've been using for the past couple weeks and it has been awesome. And their brand new case as well, which I want to show you. You guys have seen Zeera on the channel before. They did actually bring me my favorite travel wireless charger, and here it is. If you guys want to see the link to that video, I will leave it on the screen here. Awesome, awesome charger. But what they have sent me here is something to keep on your desk or at home. Not more for travel, more for just keeping around the house. So let's hop straight into this video. All right, hopping into the unboxing. You have a few different things on the front of the box here, nothing too important. We are greeted with a bit of an instruction manual here and a bit of a user guide on what to do and how to actually set up the device. We have another box here, and I believe in this box there is a cable, USB-C to USB-C. So as you guys can see here, here is the USB-C to USB-C cable. And then behind that, we are greeted with the actual device itself. So here it is, a pretty simple unboxing, nothing too extreme, very straight to the point. So as you guys will see here, it is actually a soft touch material on the top of the actual wireless charger. We do have a bit of a branding here saying TheVoxn. We do have an on and off button here for something pretty cool, which I will get to in a moment. We have 3 wireless chargers built in. So we have a MagSafe wireless charger here for your phone. We have an Apple Watch charger right here, and we have another wireless charger down here, and that is for something like AirPods, or you can charge another MagSafe or Qi device, should I say, on here as well. So on the back, we have the USB-C input that actually provides power to the unit, and then another USB-A that you can charge out from with a 10 amp port on that. And something really cool, because we do have some charging lights at the front here, there is something awesome. You can actually slide this white toggle at the back, and that actually blocks these lights. So at night, when this is next to your bed, you don't actually get blinded by these lights, which is something really, really unique, because not many companies do this, and something really, really smart, because it's something I always try to block at night because it actually is brighter than what you think. So that is the gist. It is actually weighted as well, which is pretty good. So it's not too light, which is awesome. And it just sits really nicely on your desk or by your bedside table. Chuck your devices on to start charging, and it just looks nice and sleek, and everything matches up nicely. We just plug in the USB-C cable to the back. Everything starts up. We do have a white light right here indicating that the device does have power. Chuck my phone onto the wireless charger here, and you'll see that it starts charging straight away, and it is in the standby mode, which is awesome, which is new to iOS 17 coming in September. This second wireless charger does actually have MagSafe as well, so it is up to you which one you use. We do have the Apple Watch charger here as well, and like I said to you before, there is a button here. Now, this orange button is actually for the light that is actually at the back of the unit, which is really, really cool. So let me just show you guys so you can see it properly. So as you guys can see there, the light is on the back of the device, so it's a bit of a night light built in, which is really, really cool. So if you just want to get up during the night and you don't want to turn on any other big lights, you just kind of press this orange button, and there is 3 different settings from bright to medium to low brightness. And it is a very, very cool feature built in to this, and I haven't seen that on any other 5-in-1 MagSafe wireless chargers on the market. We also do have the brand new MagSafe kickstand case that they did send me, which is really, really cool. It's got a built-in kickstand, and it is just a nice ergonomic case as well. You can get anything from the iPhone 12 Pro Max or iPhone 12 to the 14 Pro Max and in between. It's got a really, really nice camera protection there, so it doesn't actually touch your lenses, as you guys can see there. It is covering all the lenses, so when he's lying down flat on a table, the lenses aren't being touched at all. You just pull down the kickstand here, and it does stand up on a table very, very nicely. Now, I have used a kickstand case before from another company, and the problem was that the kickstand didn't come down far enough, so the phone was kind of on the side, would be too straight. With this one, because it goes down further, it actually leans back more, which is awesome, and actually gives you a bit more of a better viewing angle, which I do appreciate with this case. And I really love the material this is made out of. The buttons are metal on the side, which is a very, very nice touch on both. Getting to the mute switch is very easy, very accessible. There's no problems in that. And like I said, the buttons are metal, so they are very tactile and clicky, which is very, very nice. So this is a very, very nice case, something I will be running on my phone from now on. But the built-in kickstand, obviously, it is magnetic, so it does work perfectly with a MagSafe charger as well, which is awesome. The ports at the bottom are very accessible, which is good, so you won't have any problems charging, hearing your speaker, or getting access to the microphone either. This is their kickstand case. They're about $27 right now, so check them out. And the 5-in-1 MagSafe charger is about $75 as well at the moment. So I will leave them both linked in the description down below, so check them out if you guys are interested. Alrighty, that was my unboxing / review of the TheVoxn or Zeera 5-in-1 MagSafe wireless charger. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you had, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Let me know what you think of this product in the comments down below. Honestly, it's probably one of my favorite wireless chargers that I've ever reviewed, and I really love it. In the last 2 weeks that I've been using it, has been very convenient. It works very well. Zeera hasn't paid me to do this review. It's actually just to send me the product to check out, and I've honestly loved this product, and I really recommend it. If you want an all-in-one charger, this is the product I would be getting. It's got everything built in. It's got the light, 2 Qi wireless chargers. It's got the Apple Watch charger as well. There is pretty much everything you want, and obviously, like I said, you can also plug in a USB-A cable at the back and charge another device as well. So this is the all-in-one wireless charger. It honestly does it all, and I really, really like it. So that was my look into this wireless charger. Like I said, if you have enjoyed, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. So stay tuned. I'll catch you guys next week for another video.